Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make words in Circle. The first thing we will do is open Word. When you do, from the Insert menu, open the Shapes option and click on Oval. Adjust the circle to the desired size in the document. After this, in the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Fill and choose the No Fill option. When you do, open the Shape Outline option and select the automatic color. Finally, again from Shape Outline, this time select the Weight option and you will set the width of the circle. Now that you see the circle better, select and right-click on it and click on the Add Text option. Enter the text. If you don't see what you write, select the context and from the source assign the automatic color so that you can see your text. If you wish, you can adjust the font and size. When your text is defined, right-click on the circle and select the Format Shape option. In this panel, you are going to go to the Fill and Lines option. There, in Fill, click on Solid Fill and choose one of the colors that are available. This change will be immediate in the circle. If you prefer, you can activate the Gradient Fill box and use the predefined options there, or adjust the gradient style. This will impact the display of the text in the circle. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.